Hi, I'm Laura and I'm one of the managers here at Gulliver's Valley. I first developed an interest in working for a theme park at quite a young age when I used to go and visit our park in Matlock Bath, Gulliver's Kingdom. And it's the same for quite a lot of people. They usually develop an interest in the theme park industry at quite a young age. They become interested in rides, even just visiting places like Gulliver's Valley, eventually become aware of jobs within the theme park industry. My education and career journey started off fairly typical. I went to school and then sixth form. I then went to go and do a history degree, and after that I decided that I wanted to have a slightly more fun career as I saw it. I knew I enjoyed visiting theme parks, and so I applied for a job at Gulliver's Kingdom on a seasonal level, worked my way up to management, and as of last year I got moved to our brand new theme park, Gulliver's Valley. Gulliver's Valley is a family theme park where we get lots of family visitors every weekend and school holidays, where they can experience things like rides or catering, entertainment, retail department. They get to have a great day out whilst also being safe whilst they're here. The skills you need to work in a STEM career within a theme park industry are good maths, science, technology skills. Typically speaking, the most common route into an engineering side of a theme park industry role would be through a university degree and then the relative work experience. However, that's not always the case. Quite a lot of people get into careers within the theme park industry through experience. For example, there's one gentleman who worked on rides last year who expressed an interest in learning the maintenance side of things. He's now joined our maintenance team full-time, learning how to take care and maintain the rides. An engineer might enjoy working here versus other typical engineering sectors because they are actually employed to engineer fun. They're employed to engineer a great family day out. The average salary for an engineer in the theme park industry can vary. It could start off around £30,000 to £40,000, but then can increase depending on the level of job you're doing. Everybody at Gulliver's works here and does what they do because they enjoy it, first of all. We are all dedicated to providing a fantastic guest experience from start to finish. Even on days where the theme park isn't open, there's animals to look after, there's interviews to do, there's people to see, there's meetings to be had, and no 2 days are the same.